Lead generation, what you need to know now. In running a business, there are many different things to focus on. You have to manage your inventory, market your products, and run the day-to-day operations. Another important task is generating leads so that you can grow your business. For help in doing so, the following tips and tricks can be quite helpful. To generate leads for your enterprise, make people an offer. The offer can be in the form of a free ebook, newsletter, coupon, or other enticement. Make sure it is high in value and relevant to your particular audience. When you make a tempting offer, you will generate plenty of good leads. Use social media as a lead generation tool. In social media, you need to not only build a presence, you also need to build a community. It's an opportunity to build trust, which will lead to more and more leads coming your way. Don't just look at the obvious social media channels. Consider them all. Test a small market sample if you are trying to generate leads in a new way or area of consumer spending. While online marketing can be very economical, you don't want to waste a lot of resources on something that's going to go bust. Test a sample, and if it generates a few leads, go for it. Otherwise, simply live and learn and move on. Try using consumer reviews and case studies to get more leads. If customers feel good about their purchase, they are a lot more likely to buy from you. Studies and testimonials are among the best ways for potential customers to learn about you and your products. Check out events in your area and see if there's a way you can use them to generate leads. For example, if there is a cycling race, buy a sponsorship package. Then you can get yourself on TV talking about it, or in the paper, or just talk to people who are there to watch. Search engine optimization, while organic, is all about lead generation as well. How? Your targeted customer base is searching niche-specific keywords. If you're targeting the right keywords with all of your sites and content, then you're generating new leads. This does take time, but it's a process that should always be in the works. Don't be afraid to cut certain tactics that aren't performing as they should. Even if a tactic is generating a ton of leads, it may be that the leads just really aren't that strong. If there's low to no conversion, why continue spending in the channel? Rather double down on tactics that are converting. When trying to optimize your lead generation efforts, it's important to remember that visitors can happen upon any page of your site. Therefore, placing complete contact information and sales info on every page should be a top priority. If you consider every page a potential landing page, you understand what the visitor needs to see there. Now that you have watched this video, you should have a better idea of what is involved in effective lead generation. Even if you have a lot of experience doing so, some of this information may still have been new to you. Give these techniques a try to help out your business. Student loan.